everything was moving.
I think this is a great time to make a YouTube video.
Okay, say. So this is the way they are celebrating the birthdays, Amra. And this is our food. Okay, Amra, what happened now? Ooh. Go there. Yeah. And what else? Show me. Yeah. Amra, you're not scared?
That's a monkey.
Yes. And Amra, you bought a very big nerf today. It's so big.
Yeah.
How's the food, Amra?
Very yummy.
You recommend people to come here?
Yep.
Okay. Look here, Amra.
It's a really good food here.
Okay.
And
People must come.
people must come.
All right.
Maybe it's expensive level for you, but it's really good food.
Oh. All right then. Bye-bye.